Good afternoon everyone, this is Theekshana from 4th City School and now I am here to demonstrate about the conservation of water in an innovative way, that is smart tap. Water scarcity is one of the biggest problems which clogs the world today. So to prevent this from becoming the worst situation, we have to plan for water conservation. And now this is that smart tap. Here in this smart tap we need a motherboard, battery, power adapter and some sensors along with this motor and a pipe and also a water tap. So these are the materials needed, and with these materials we can make a wonderful innovation where we can save this water, because if we save water it means we can save life. And now we will examine how it works. See, this is the smart tap. Here when I keep my hand or something, an object in front of this, immediately the water is releasing. See? Here the water is released, and when I take my hand or when I remove something, an object, it stops there itself. So we have to keep our hand. See, water is releasing when I keep my hand, and this is my project. It means that whenever this first sensor is detecting an object or the user's hand, it means that it gives signals to relay module 1 which allows water to flow. And then the second sensor which is present over here, it understands the water limit and then it controls itself by giving signals to relay module 2. That is why whenever I take my hand or whenever I take my object, then the water is controlling itself and it stopped over there. So this is my project. It means conservation of water in an innovative way. Thank you.